Daniel woke up on a quiet Tuesday morning. His alarm clock read 7:15, just another normal day. He slowly stretched, rubbed his eyes, and walked into the kitchen to make coffee. The city was already waking up. Cars moved through the streets. People hurried to work. Everything felt ordinary. On his way outside, Daniel walked through the busy street like he always did. He waited at the crosswalk while cars passed by. A woman walked her dog along the sidewalk. Nearby, a man accidentally spilled his coffee outside a small cafe. A bus arrived at the stop as passengers stepped off. It was just another typical morning.
Here's our bus. Yep, after you.
The next day, something strange happened. Daniel woke up again, 7:15, the same alarm, the same sunlight coming through the window. At first, Daniel thought it was just a coincidence, but when he stepped outside, the same things began to happen again. The same woman walked her dog past him.
Wait, wasn't that the same woman and dog?
I must be seeing things.
The same bus arrived. And outside the cafe, the same man spilled his coffee again. Daniel stopped walking. His heart started beating faster. Something was wrong. The day was repeating. At first, he felt confused, but soon, curiosity replaced the fear. If the day kept repeating, maybe he could change something. Later that afternoon, Daniel noticed a lonely woman sitting
Beautiful
quietly
day,
on a
isn't it?
park bench.
It is.
Instead
Just
of
feeling a
walking
bit
past like
lonely.
everyone
I
else,
understand. Care to join
Daniel
me for a
sat
walk?
down and started a
Oh,
conversation.
thank you, young man. You were
The
so
woman looked
kind.
surprised.
It was my pleasure, ma'am. I'm
Slowly,
Daniel.
she began to
Bless you,
smile.
Daniel.
"Thank you," the stranger said quietly. "I really needed someone to talk to today." Daniel walked away thinking
I
about
can't
what
let
had
this
just
worry
happened.
consume me.
If
I have to keep
The day
moving
kept
forward.
resetting, he
One
could
step
make
at a
small
time.
changes. And maybe those small moments mattered.
Here, let me help you with that.
Oh,
Soon,
thank
he
you
found
so
himself
much.
helping a woman pick up
Oops, what a
groceries that
mess.
had fallen
No
onto the
worries,
sidewalk.
we'll get it sorted.
Thanks
He-
for helping.
Of course, happy to.
He helped an elderly
lovely
woman
day
cross
for
the
a walk,
street
Grandma.
safely.
It is.
Later,
so
he
good to
stepped
spend
in
this
and
time
calmly
with you.
stopped two
Always.
strangers from
You
arguing.
bumped into me.
No, you
Slowly,
walked
something
into me.
began to
Hey,
change.
let's just calm down.
He started it.
Hey, let's all just take a breath.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yeah, me too. See, that's better.
The day still repeated, but Daniel began to see the world differently. One afternoon,
Hey,
he
need
noticed
a
a
hand?
young child
Yes,
struggling to
please.
gather
I
books that had
dropped
fallen
them.
on the
No
sidewalk.
problem. There you go.
Daniel bent down
Here
and
you go.
helped pick
Careful
them
now.
up.
Thank you
The child
so
looked
much,
up and
Daniel.
smiled
You're
brightly.
very welcome.
A simple thank you. But it meant something. As Daniel walked through the park, he started noticing things he had never paid attention to before. People laughing, friends talking, families enjoying quiet moments together. Daniel sat on a bench watching life move around him. For the first time in a long time, he wasn't rushing anywhere. As the sun slowly set, Daniel smiled. The next morning came again.
7:15 again.
7:15.
I'm
But
grateful
this
for this
time,
peaceful
Daniel
start.
didn't feel confused. He stretched beside the bed and smiled quietly. Standing by the window, he took a deep breath of fresh morning air. He prepared his coffee slowly, enjoying the moment. Then Daniel stepped outside again. But now the city felt different. He
Allow
held the
me.
door open for a stranger,
Oh, thank you,
a
dear.
small act of
My
kindness.
pleasure.
As he walked through the busy street, Daniel realized something important. Life doesn't come with a reset button, but every morning we wake up, we are given something just as powerful: a new chance, a new beginning. And sometimes, that is all we need.
For more of these inspirational stories from Deep Life Fact, click the subscribe button, share, and tell us where you're watching from.